I am Daniel Agustin Puntilan, a student of grade 11 Oxygen STEM Strand, and we are going to explore all about exponential expression, exponential function, exponential inequality, and equation. But first, let me just transform. Hi, I am now your little teacher, and let's start discussing with our subject, general mathematics. So first, let's define what is an exponential expression. An exponential expression is in the form of a times b raised to x minus c plus d, where we consider the restrictions that b or the base is greater than 0, it is not equal to 1, and it is not a variable. Variable? What is a variable? A variable is a symbol of any letter that stands an unknown numerical value in the equation. When we can see letters in an equation, these are already what we call variables. Let's always remember these restrictions of exponential expression, that b is greater than 0, not equal to 1, and not a variable. So let's evaluate the following if they are examples of exponential expressions or not. 2 raised to x plus 2. Is it an exponential expression? Yes, it is, because the b or the base 2 is greater than 0. It is not equal to 1 and not a variable. Second, 6 raised to 2x plus 1 minus 4. Is it an exponential expression? Yes! Just like our first example, b6 is greater than 0. 6 is not equal to 1, and 6 is not a variable but a constant. Third, 1/2 raised to x minus 5 plus 8. Is it an exponential expression? Yes, absolutely yes! Because the base 1/2 is greater than 0, not equal to 1, and 1/2 is not a variable. How about 1 raised to x raised to x, and x raised to 6? These are not examples of exponential expressions. Let's take the restrictions. The b or the base must not equal to 1, but the first given has 1 in base, while the second and third expressions have variables in base. Therefore, these are not examples of exponential expressions. Okay, let's go to the terms exponential function, exponential equation, and exponential inequality. Let's discuss them one by one. First, an exponential function. An exponential function is a function that has base b in the form of f of x is equal to b raised to x, or y is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 and it is not equal to 1. Remember that a function can be in the terms of f of x or y, and also put in our mind the restrictions. The examples of exponential functions are f of x is equal to 2 raised to 3x plus 1, y is equal to 15 raised to 5x minus 1, and 100 raised to 10x is equal to f of x. Second, exponential equation. An exponential equation is an equation that involves exponential expressions. So, the examples are 25 raised to 4x plus 4 is equal to 144. 4 raised to 2x plus 3 is equal to 16. 9 raised to x squared is equal to 3 raised to x plus 3. And 16 raised to x is equal to 1 over 64. So let's move on. Third, exponential inequality. An exponential inequality is an inequality that involves exponential expressions. Always remember the symbols greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, and not equal symbol. Examples are 3 raised to x less than 9 raised to x minus 2, 1 over 10 closed quantity raised to x plus 5, greater than or less than 1 over 1000 closed quantity raised to 3x, and 125 greater than 25 raised to x. So let's take a recap of our lessons today. An exponential function involves functions with base b in the form of f of x is equal to b raised to x, or y is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 or not equal to 1. An exponential equation is an equation that involves exponential expressions, while our exponential inequality is an inequality that involves exponential expressions. That's all about exponential functions, exponential equation, and exponential inequality. And I hope you learned a lot from me. This is your little teacher Daniel Agustin Puntilan, and see you to our next lessons. Goodbye!